It's your boy with upcoming Fresh 360. As you already know. Yesterday I sent some false false information about hair porosity, and I want to clear that up today. And the treatment on figuring out how to figure out what hair porosity you got, low or high, that's completely fine. But really, hair porosity is the hair's ability to absorb and to retain moisture. So basically, it's gonna help you find out what texture you got, and then you feel me. So we gonna run through this real quick, get those out the way. And there's actually 3 degrees of hair porosity: low, normal, and high. Hope y'all keeping up with me today. So low, normal, or high. So low is low. Lows are hair cuticles that are tight and very resistant to opening for water. The next one, normal porosity. Normal porosity is the hair cuticles are raised enough to be ready to absorb products or moisturizers or whatever words you want to use. Now, if you got high porosity, it's highly raised, and basically, therefore, it is ready to quickly absorb and quickly go out as you put it in the moisturizer, if that makes sense. To make it more clear, so you put the product in, and then you, like 3 hours later, 2 hours later, it goes out. Your hair is dry and all that. So basically, I'm just telling you how to treat low porosity and high porosity. Basically, low porosity. Let me go to high porosity first. So basically, there's 4 steps you can treat high porosity. So 1 is basically protein treatment. 2 is deep conditioning. 3 is sealing butters and oils inside your hair. And then 4 is using heavy products. Basically, so for number 1, protein treatment. Protein treatment can basically help you straighten your hair and get your hair strong. And you want your hair strong, So I'm gonna move on to the next step. Second step, for deep conditioning. If you want to seal in moisturizers and products better, deep conditioning, buddy. Seriously though, wash your hair, and then after you wash your hair, condition your hair for 15 minutes. And then during those 15 minutes, make sure you get a hot towel, put it over your head, so the hair can absorb better all them proteins and vitamins that is going in your head. Put it all in your head. The hot towel over your head within the 15 minutes. And after the 15 minutes, then you wash your hair. Wash your hair. Don't after you wash your hair, wherever you know this, make sure you get that brush session. You should get at least like 30 minutes to an hour brush session after you wash your hair. I don't know, y'all tripping if y'all just put that do right back on. But after that, you can put products in during your brush session, or if you're watching, you can put products in here to make it, shine, and then that's it. And then number 3 is sealing in your butters and oils. So basically, butters can help and oils can help better your waves, basically, or better your hair, basically. It helps seal your moisturizer better. On the butters and oils, like shea butter or Jamaican black castor oil, it helps you to retain moisturizers or products. And then last but not least, number 4, for high porosity, using heavy products. Use heavy products. So basically, using heavy products that's it. If you have low porosity, basically all you have to do is do the opposite steps of that. So basically, low porosity here, say if you put in products in here, it takes a while to get in, but once it get in, it locks in. So what you want to do is make sure you don't overuse products. Don't overuse products. Make sure you condition it. Basically using the safe steps. Don't deep condition. Don't use heavy products. Use oils, and don't overuse. I'm just keep on saying, don't overuse products, because your hair is easy. Well, it's not. It's easy to retain moisturizers than products, so you don't want to overdo it. It's basically the same steps, but the opposite. You're not supposed to use it. You feel me? So, and for normal, use the basic. Use the basic information. The first one. The first one high and the first one low, and what you think you should do if you're normal. I'm not gonna get too much deep into it. I'm not gonna get too much deep into it, so you should be able to figure that out. Okay? Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching. And some of my waves yesterday, but I put some product in my hair so y'all can see it again. Oh yeah, and I already took my do-rag off, but to let y'all know, I have high porosity. So I have high porosity, bro. So I'm gonna be doing all these treatments, and and then I'm gonna let y'all know by next week. I'm gonna do every treatment that I told y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all my hair next week. That's how it's looking though. You can look at my right side. Yeah, but that's how it's looking. So I don't want to waste any more of your time. So I hope you have a blessed day. Like and subscribe, and all
night that I smoke my sins away. Anyway, but the cops are trying to take my life away. I be getting so high all night that I smoke my sins away. Anyway, but the cops are trying to take my life today. Hell no, not 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 today. Smoke my sins away. Hell no, not today.